And YouTube is back. Suck it, YouTube. Alright, what did you say? Attempt to call an ill value. Big surprise. Line 22. Very big surprise. Look at the surprise on my face. Alright, I guess I have to pull up the YouTube chat again. Our entire thing just crashes. How many people were watching when it crashed? The chat was like as active as the Twitch chat, which usually doesn't happen. Okay. I did it. I really like how the chat does not rely on any of the same things that the physics relies on, and so one can fail without the other one failing. Okay, line 1. Right. Okay. All right. I hope it's not a circular. Oh, it's not a circular dependency. Sweet. You're kidding? No way, man. God, I hate surf. How did you do that? Oh, is there multiple parts? Wait, what? What? What map bad spine? Yeah, it's not fixed yet. Abseal spine? Abseal is just a generally bad one. It has a lot of oh, look! Oh, nice. Wow. Okay. I have to actually write the algorithm. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna need so much just like boilerplate code. Wow. Oh, wow, wow. testing vertices is cringe. Like I could like do some. I could dot cross a like face direction. Ugh. You know, it'd be nicer to have the face, like a basis for the face, and compare bases. Because that's, I don't have to do 4 vertices versus 4 vertices. It's just 2 basis vectors versus 2 basis vectors. Vertices is nice and well defined, which is nice. Okay. Okay, if I project points onto the other face using the basis vectors, and then check the distance. That's 8 tests if I do it symmetrically. Really, I only need 4 tests. Yeah, I only need 4 tests. Is it possible? Feels like it's like possible, but it's hard to think about. Oh. Okay. Oh, are you my bro? I'm trying to figure out if two surfs are back to back and like share a common face. Trying to think of a fast and easy to program way of testing if the faces touch and are close. Get face basis. I think I'll do get face basis. Shh. It's a basis. It's a basis. All right. So now this is basis. Base. Yes. Base. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I guess I can use the basis to test the vertices still. If I just like figure out, I guess I just do a bunch of dot products. Boo. I don't know. Okay, is there like a clockwise-ness or something I guess I can, oh my god. Like if I choose a world-spaced axis to base the ordering off of, I guess I can sort it in this function. Oh. Well, no, I can't sort by direct. I hate it. So many cases, man. Oh. All right, I stopped caring. Blech. Whatever. What the f- Oh my god, bro. If any of them are false, then it just returns false, so. Oh. Never mind. I So it's any, and then what the hell is that? All right, there you go, brute force. 16 tests. Now I have to write the other damn algorithm that gives. stay consistent. Oh, almost lost that one. Where do you live? Why is it so bright? I live on the surface of the sun. It's a scorching 5,000 degrees Celsius. Or is it 10,000 degrees? I can't remember. It's funny you say bright, because you can see I have the light blocked out by garbage bags that are like taped onto my windows because I don't have any blinds. I had a friend over, it's actually a long time ago now, like 2 months or something, and we were watching a projector on that wall, and it was too bright because like my apartment has a lot of windows, and we taped garbage bags all over the place. I just haven't taken them down because I don't have any blinds, and I hate light. But like light equals happy, so I guess I should have it down by default. Alright, this is a cringe amount of code to have to write for fixing surf. Surf. Go to sleep. Why do you think I look tired? I woke up like 6 hours ago. It's really weird to me how a lot of people say that. Such a strange thing to say. Did he change? He didn't change this. Okay, it's still nil. I'll just take this out then. Just fix it all at once. Wow. What's wrong with the spines? You must not be a surfer. Ugh, this code is gonna be cringe to write too. Alright, what's an orthocenter? Cool, that's what I want. Is it good? Alright, let's see. Oh, I can just do here. What the hell? Alright, that does not look fun. Alright. How do you do this? Oh, it's a display character. That's fun. Alright, what about here? Corner points. Okay. Mathematica. Hello? Mathematica function. Centroid. Does it, what's the... Okay, but like, what's the Mathematica function? Nice. What issue are you trying to fix right now? The spine bug for spine surfing. Alright, that's a square root. I'd rather just do a little average. That's a good idea, actually. I'd just do the average of the points. I'm just gonna... Ortho center is probably like pretty optimal, but... I'm not feeling like explaining it again. I explained it at the beginning of the stream. You'd have to find the YouTube video. I have this whole like diagram where I explain what I'm doing and why. If you really want to watch it, just like scan through the previous YouTube video before the stream crashed, and find until you see that big picture. I'll explain it. Alright, I don't know. I'm just gonna do average of the points instead of some like good thing like this. So X is the weird one. Y is, it's negative Y and positive Z. So if we have whatever half size, doesn't matter. It's going negative y, negative z. That's one of the points. Positive y, positive z. That's one of the points. And negative y, positive z. And then that's divided by 3. Okay, that's our, it's a half size. Interesting. All right. Okay. What do we got? Negative y and positive z. And that is a somewhat center. And then for anything else, you can just use the actual position. Okay. I don't care. Okay. God, I don't want to write this. God, how am I gonna get the... positive. And then negative y. And then positive y and negative z. And then the invalid vectors, literally just right and left. Fewest special casing, the smallest code. There we go. Cool. So we go dot. And then yeah, okay. Ooh. Ouchie. Cool. Well, this will work. This algorithm would work with corner wedge parts as well, for the only the bottom face, since it's square. Would not. You cannot do cylinder. Yeah. Okay, what do we got? What's the cases in here? Mesh part. So part. Ooh, forgot about this. That's cringe. Okay, so God, this is a pain to design all these. To think. I have to actually think. I'm writing thinking code. Negative Z. Ah. Easy one. And then, alright, so it's on there. So this is X, Y. And then X. And then whatever this is. XZ. Right. Just facing Y, so XZ. And then this one has to go up. Up and up. Should be right. Oh boy. Can't wait to write the prism face vectors. What a joy. Okay, that shouldn't be that hard. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, you're... Yeah, okay, and then same deal. Yeah. Okay. And then... Circular is nice. Cyclic. Sick. Alright, that wasn't actually as hard as I thought. Okay. Woo! Okay. Okay. Should I world space it? I think I need to. It's not native, is it? Oh, I almost forgot. That would have been tragic. Hard to debug. So, same deal. Cool. Fuh. Oh my god. Jeez. What a like trudge. I have to just walk. I just know everything. It's just a boilerplate code for me. Okay, does that do it? Oh, I need to define that. Mm-hmm. Ma. Lao gan ma. Okay. Well, there's your whole algorithm. This is my vision from the start. I mean, okay, I made this part up as I went, and then I made this part up as I went. But like, this is annoying. I don't know how to avoid this. It's not that bad because it's like 16 tests, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, but just annoying. Neat, 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 neat. Cool. All right. Well, that should do something. Either it just breaks or it fixes surf spines, or somewhere in between. Probably it doesn't work. All those numbers I had to write out by hand, it's probably not gonna work. Do I have a time on this? I think I probably do, right? I don't. That's cringe. Cool map. Oh, I didn't make that. Oh. Guess I'm slow now. I'm supposed to be testing surf spines. I'm distracted. Huh. Huh. All right. Never seen many Lua devs. Syntax is beautiful. The biggest complaint I have about the language is that you cannot return whatever you want for inequality comparison metatables. So if you have two objects and you do less than, and they're like custom objects that have their own behavior for the less than operator, you can't just say this creates a new object that represents this comparison. You have to say it's true or it's false. There's no customization there, which is very unfortunate. All right, let's find a surf map. What's a surf map? That's cool. All right, we need surfs like this that suck. I don't know. How am I gonna test this code? All right, Sinsane. I think Sinsane had some bad surfs. All right, basically I have to just keep doing that. I have to like drive over the. I should print some stuff. So if I get destroyed, it means it's not working. God, I just wrote all that code. Holy, coffee is amazing. I mean, chances are that the map is working and not the code. All right, I'm gonna print. And then the other way around. So this is a literal union. Cool. All right. So I'm gonna add this. Okay. Very suspicious. I'm very suspicious of this code. Oh my, the thing. I don't know why it does that. All right, I saw surf. All right. We'll see if it prints anything. Probably it's not gonna. Bruh. It didn't print anything like I thought. Was it this map? There's this one map with a really bad spine bug. I don't think it was this map. But like we can test here anyways. Like shoo. Oh, that's the server. I'm also gonna print the other one. Microverse? I think that was one of the ones with bad spine bugs. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so you go over here, you touch this. Oh my god, okay, I need to test this. The next surf after the one I got to, that one had a bad spine bug if I remember correctly. Did it do? Okay, so it's doing lone wedges. Okay. I should probably print when it clears as well. Cool. Did I not need to do this? Man, it's just calculating everything as a lone wedge. Pay attention to my speed when I cross the spine of the ramp. So like when I go like this, if you see me like just lose an insane amount of speed, you know what would be good is collision debug. But I don't know. Alright, is it like the left side? Could just be like the left side. I don't know. I don't know. Bruh. Just random code running. Random code that I wrote 10 seconds ago. It literally is doing nothing right now. It's literally just spamming scan stuff and just doing nothing. I mean, I went up. You can jump on that? Alright, I'm gonna try and actually like play the map and see if I get spine bugged. How about that? But like, it's not in this console. Lone wedge. There's no union wedge. Like, these should all be unioning. I'm gonna go look, take a look. What the? Alright, what does the corner look like here? The corner looks pristine. I don't see any crossover. So like this, that has to be within. Yeah, I don't know. It has to. That should be matching. But it's not. I don't want to make visualization. Did I do it the wrong way? Size, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I can check it in the tray code. Tray code is good. Very good. Okay, so wedge vertices. He doesn't even divide. Holy smoke. He just checks max dot. Query wedge. Transform unit query. Okay, so he does relder equals size times. Okay, so maybe I did it wrong. Oh, it's rel. Oh. Whoops. Whoops. Cool. Yeah, no, that was literally wrong. So. Look, he calls it relder too. Yeah. Relder, go relder. Rel point times size. C frame times size, rel point. So he's doing size first on both, which, sure, I'm a fan of that. You forgot to carry the one. True. I'll fix it later. Okay. Maybe it'll start making errors now. Wouldn't that be great? Gosh, I love errors. Oh, my mouse is dying. This is not gonna be fun to play the game. Alright. So that... Is that a wedge? Here we go. Error, error, error. How are we doing? Lone wedge. Okay. Alright, so it says clearing unions. Sick. Alright, now what? Error. 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 Lone wedge. That is not correct. That is not correct. It should be unioning them. So, it just is not encountering the issue. And is not fixing the issue. That's what's going on right now. Is it's not encountering it and it's not fixing it. But I'm kind of surprised that it's not encountering the issue. Because like it was really prevalent, especially on. I remember it was. It happened on this map. Oh my god, the mouse cord is so bad. I can't. I just can't. It's low battery, but like, I'll charge it later. Did I lose speed? Did it happen? I think it just happened. Okay. So, yeah, the code just isn't working. Should I should probably call it best I. It's probably just you're not my bro. That's probably what's happening. All right, let's see it. Wait, what? That's early. Okay, so it says lone wedge, and it does not print "You're not my bro." Ooh, what was that? Okay, okay. Print. Alright, so, I mean, this is lone wedges. Oh my god, the game is so nice. What's with the sky looking all whack? I love this game! I can just tell how awesome the physics are. Alright, so it's gonna say scanning parts, lone wedge. So the trouble is that it didn't find any parts. Oh, it didn't say how many there were. Never mind. So it's probably 0, yeah. All right. All right, we'll do a giant 1. Alright. Show me 0 parts. What? Like I forgot, but it should also include the part itself. What? What? Oh! Got it. This is the problem. It's including the position. Cringe. Alright. Show me those errors! Let's go! Woo! Wait, it's using the union. It made a union. Wait, why doesn't it do it on the... Oh, it is. Look at it go. It's just using... It's just... What? My code is working. Okay. What? What? Why? How? Huh? How is it working? Bro. Alright, we need to get rid of the spam. It's working. Huh? Spine bug fixed. Spine bug fixed. Alright. This is gonna go crazy. There's no way this doesn't create some sort of insane bug. Alright, what's a map with a surf and then a part in the middle? I need to test it on that one as well. Alright, show me around. You're not my bro. Alright, creating union. Wow. So apparently this is now a union, and it only counts as one part. Oh, there it is! We got the error! All right, that is more like it. Attempt to call a nil value, 362. All right. Okay. Nothing can work first try. I mean, it can. It's just rare. And it's always a surprise. Oh. I think that fixes that. So it should not be nil. Should not be nil. If the self-wedge brother is truthy, self-wedge brother mesh should have mesh brother. Self-wedge brother. Yes. Sheesh. I should probably print that. I'm going to make sure this exists. So that doesn't spam errors. Cool. Alright, so it should stop spamming now and just like fall back to death. Wow. Alright, Sorv. Okay. Okay, it didn't die. What the f... Ooh. Okay. Merging group. Okay. Why is it merging groups? That doesn't make sense. Oh, right. I forgot to do the thing. Whoops. Okay. All right, because it finds the part itself as well. Whoops. What was that error? I should bring that back. Union. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm gonna bring that error back for a second so I can fix it. Alright, it said L1 copy, something was nil. T? I don't know. I can bring it back. Bring it back. What in the world? Okay. Ooh. Speeding? Oh my god. Holy. It's so much faster. Slow. Who put that roof there? I guess. Alright, let's get that error again and see if I can fix it, because it's gonna show up in some map. Alright. Invalid argument next table expected got nil. Copy line 4. T is nil. Spine fix. L1 copy. T is nil. Okay, so it is the other brothers is nil, which does not make sense. Oh. I don't clear it. Okay, maybe, okay. I don't know if it includes that. It should. I don't know. All I can do is fix inconsistencies. I don't think that'll fix it per se. Oh. Oh no, that's still happening, okay. Didn't think it would fix it. Do I need to understand this? Cause like it should be the same. Why would it do that? So it's okay. So the part and the brother is the same object. Okay. They're in the same position. Okay. So it just chooses a random direction. Okay. It gets 0, 0, 0. It says yes here. It says the brother group leader is Surf Wedge brother brother, which why wouldn't that be the same? I don't understand. It should fall under this case and just do nothing the whole time. I think that's not gonna work. Brothers. Wow. That doesn't make any sense that it's no. Because it's pointing at something else. Which supposedly is a union. Otherwise, it should be nothing. Wait, is it making a party of one? It shouldn't be doing... Oh. So it's just a part, but like... Okay, so let's say it goes part creates a union. Part, it says blah 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 blah, not group leader. Create group, which sets it to itself, sets the list, sets the table. It's supposed to not exist without pointing like this, same one. Brother equals brothers equal. Brother equals group leader, brothers, group leader equals. Oh. Oh, oof. Whoops. This is false. That's what's going on. Whoops. Okay, so yeah. So if there is a brother group leader, that happens. Okay. Whoops. Okay, so I think that was the bug. Neat, neat, neat. It's just because it didn't exist. And it was like, oh, this one is different, then it doesn't exist. Let's merge it with the one that doesn't exist. Wow, this is a great map. Should say lone surf about 12 times there. Oof. You're not my bro. Wait, union. Oh, it's union with itself. That's right. All right, so that should no longer error. It errored when I did that before. Cool. So bad. Okay. No more errors. Neat, 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 neat. Now I can put that case back in because I am more certain that it will merge properly. That would actually make it faster. Is better. Bruh. Surf. Oh my gosh. I love surf. Oh my gosh. Surf is the greatest. Oh my gosh, guys. I love surf. Oh my gosh. You. Nice. Creating union. All right, so I made a bunch of unions. That's sick. I'm sucking! Oh, it made me think it was the end of the surf. All right, okay, so shouldn't be no unions here. It should say lone wedge for everything. Lone. Cool. Working code. Working code. Wait. You're just, okay. What? Oh my god, that was so bizarre looking. Alright, Oof. All right. Union. Yeah. Love it. All right. You should never get killed. The surface kill. All right. How about that? Spine bug is dead. And it might actually be faster. Not gonna lie. This code might run faster because it's caching wedge. It's caching the meshes instead of recalculating every time, which is what the thing was doing. Ooh, ooh, I made it. Wait, auto? I have there's no way I have 44 auto. Is it real? Oops. Create a union. So yeah, there's lots of lone wedges and lots of unions, which is surf. Cool. Serve. What's the progress today? I made a spine bug fix. You no longer get smashed by your speed doesn't get your speed no longer gets I'm on the roof. How about that? And my timer started. Map bug. Let's go. No way! All right. No way they don't have a roof on the finish. Bruh. They have a roof on the whole map and then not the finish. Insane. Insane. Alright. The question though, is it faster than actually beating the map? Probably, because you're so damn slow. What the f- Why is it a- Oh my god. Oh my god, it's faster! Bruh. Oh my god. I cheated. Guys, I cheated! Alright, so what it does... I'll show you, I have a little diagram. So here's what it does. Is, if you have something like this, when you land on this surf, it'll scan near the surf. It actually scans all around like this. And then it'll find this part. And it'll go, okay, does this part share vertices with this one? And if so, then it goes like this, and it becomes one part instead of, instead of two. The convex mesh it unions the convex mesh, which is literally just calculate both and then see which point is better according to whatever the point ranking thing is. And then you can do it again, where if you up, undo. Oh my god, bro. I pressed Z. Oh my god. It's ruined. Okay. Anyways, as I was saying, so if you surf on this, it'll scan around for parts, and it'll find this part, and it'll go, oh, this part's already part of this group. And then it'll join it together. So it can make the groups can like grow and grow and grow. If you make a map with like 300 parts attached together, it will keep going and like be wrong, but like you have to do that on purpose. So I think that is acceptable for fixing, like, basically if you make this thing, right here, this thing, is that under my camera? No, it's not. It'll go, oh, look, there's a part here. Oh, look, there's a part here. And it'll join, and then the shape will end up like this. Even though it's shaped like this, the meshes can only represent convex shapes. So this concave bit right here gets smoothed out, and it just becomes a convex shape. Or smoothed out, I don't know. It's like, it's the convex hull of all the parts added together, which works perfectly in this case because the convex hull is equal to the actual hull, the surface of that you want. But in this case, it's not. So, like, it only activates for surfs. Yeah, and it only activates if the entire square surface is touching within 0.01 on all four corners. It doesn't work on the triangular edges. So like you see there's a... you know what I'm talking about. The triangular part of a surf, it doesn't join that together. And it doesn't activate for normal parts. Does not. So, yeah. Makes sense. But it's exploitable. This map's funny. Oh my god. There's no way you can hear that, right? Can you hear that? No, you can't hear that. No, you're mad. Yeah, this is new OBS. OBS 28. Looks like it's working on H.264, but it doesn't work on H.265, which would be nicer, but like, whatever. I just transcode the whole stream anyways. Do you code this game for a living, or is it just a segregated hobby? I guess you could say I code it for a living. I get money. I get the money from Roblox, so. I wonder if I can do that. It's probably faster. Why am I trying to optimize this? Oh my god, I'm gonna just not do that. Let's go to another surf map. Oh, I should actually get people to test it, because it's like working. Wow. Golly, I sure love accurate physics. Gosh, my golly. Cool, I gave some TLC to Surf. Surf gets my attention for once. Surfers rejoice. You will no longer be smashing into surf spines every 0.6 seconds. And then restarting. Having to, like, flick over the surf, sorry, I became a dog. The surf spines. You don't have to flick over the surf spines anymore. You can just glide over the top. I mean, if the map is like visually bad, like the surfs are like, where it's like supposed to be a real surf, but one of them is like off visually, it will not combine. So there's that. So like the maps can be bad enough to still have the spines. So like if you can visually see that like the surfs are like intersecting and it looks like this on the top where like the surfs come up, then it won't work. But it's because you can see it. And the map is bad. Yeah. Wow. Let's go to the surf map and test. Do you guys know any surf maps where there's like the two surfs on both sides, but then it's like separated and there's like a normal part in the middle? So it's like the one I showed in the picture. This one. Do you know surf maps like that? You think you fixed it. Think fixed it. Yeah, no, this map is just bad, period. Oh, does this have it? Yeah, it's just bad, period. Like it goes. It doesn't fix the like little surf things. Oh my god, it's so like nice. Why is it so nice? Ooh. So yeah, it should be activating there. Let's see what it says. Lone wedge. Yeah, this is I think it's too far apart. Or it's not working. I don't know. I don't understand why this is like so nice though. Oh, there's a bump. Why is it working? What was I thinking? Alright, I'm just gonna watch someone else. Why are you playing TAS? What do you... Alright. Okay, so what you want to look for in the console here is this scanning parts and lone wedge thing. If it says unioning parts or something, that means that it's the fix is working. But if it doesn't say that, then it's possible to get destroyed by the bug. It looks like it's happening right there. If you ask me. Zoom in on the top. See see if it looks visually bad. It's all lone wedge. Oh, yeah. See, so you can see that it's separated. What the hell is this? Yeah, you can see that it doesn't actually line up. So, yeah. It doesn't count. Oh, it's a part instead of a wedge. Yeah, no, this doesn't count. So this probably sticks through to like right here or something. If it was back there, it would not happen. But it probably sticks through to like very close to the surface, which it should still not happen, but it seems like it does. Aye, what the hell? Wacky. Thwacky map. Damn, that is very wacky. So all the work done on this map to make it feel smoother has now made it less smooth on new physics. You can surf it now? I could not tell you why it's working as well as it is. Honestly, I have not done work on this, and it is just mysteriously working better. Oh! How did the spine fix go? Oh my gosh, it's a picture on the wall! It's done, as far as I can tell. This ramp spine still shot me up. These ramps are not applicable. They are built without wedges, and this fix only applies to wedges. So specifically, this map will not work with this fix. I knew that it was a bad one, but I didn't know it was that bad. So yeah, in order for the fix to apply, that's a B-hop map. The surfs have to be wedges. It doesn't work for parts, and I can't make it for this ramp design. It's like whack. Actual second start zone? Are you gonna start the bonus? Can you actually play the tiny map? What will that part of map making guidelines to use wedges, have things align? I suppose. Are these ramps built weird as well? Or are they? Or is it just that one ramp? It looks like this one is a wedge. Okay, what does this say? Lone wedge. Lone wedge. Okay, so for whatever reason, it does not like this ramp. Why are there like 3 different parts here? in the middle. What the hell is going on there? Okay, so it just happens to be that the texture is like that. It's like repeated 3 times there because it just happens to line up like that. Like there's no edge right here. This should probably be activating. I think this might be a bug. I think it's bugging. Because like that looks pretty on. And if it looks on, it should activate. Yeah. So it's allowed to merge a flat part with the back of a wedge or the bottom of a wedge. And or the top actually. It actually works with the top of the, or it's supposed to work with the top. I never knew how that's how surf ramps were made. Oh, it should work on this ramp, I think. Unless this is made weirdly and I'm just reading the ramp wrong. Lawn wedge detected. Lawn wedge. This is lawn wedge. I see no way to union these edges. I don't wanna. I'm gonna do it anyways. Wow. Okay. Bruh. Oh my god. Please don't run. Screw it. Alright. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Tudarga. Ramp. Alright. So this looks like the beginning part. Alright. Surf. Uh-huh. Which is a wedge class name. Wedge part. Okay. Part is class name part with shape block. And then the other one, yes, I think this is supposed to work. All right, what does it say on the, oh dear. Okay. So size. Bruh. Look, it's off by a tiny amount. That's so bad. I think that's not enough to make it not line up, though. Let me loosen it and see what happens. All right, let's try 0.02. Oh, oh. Yeah. Let's see what happens. This is a very problem map, I must say. It's not fixed. It's fixed on other maps. It's just this map, which is terrible. Ooh, bad. 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 Okay, what does this say? Creating union. Oh my god, that giant looking gap. It created a union for that. So apparently you can't get messed up by that anymore. Well, look at that. You can just surf right over it. Whoa. So you can surf right over it, even though it looks like that. And you can literally see it. My coefficients might be wrong for the face bases. All right. Oh, okay. No, it's this one. Face. Z, X, Y. Y, Z, X, X, Y, Z. Doesn't look wrong to me. What about this one? I mean, I made it. So it's probably fine. It's all X. Okay. I don't see any problems with that. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, alright, what's this gonna say? Lone wedge. Okay, I think it's just not working for parts for some reason. Okay, it's supposed to go like this. Then it's supposed to go like this. And then it's supposed to just work. This should be the only test right here. Class name equals part. Shape equals block. Maybe it's part type? I don't know. I think it's shape. Yeah, no, it's shape. Well, I confirmed that it's like the right shape. The scan makes sense. It's just rejecting it. Huh? I don't get it. Wait, am I doing this wrong? Is it like this? I think it's like that. Yeah. Huh. I think I was doing it wrong. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. All right. I'm gonna make it smaller again because like that was a giant. What map was that? Maybe I should leave it at that because like that would fix that map. Well, I mean, I want it to be so it works unless there's a visual problem, and there's a visual problem on that map. So let's try this. I think this will probably work. I think that was a bug. That was bugging. I start school for computer science. Have fun. Alright, so now it should say created union instead of lone wedge right here. Damn it. Why? Did I publish? I think I did. Bro. Oh. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't see that before. I mean, it'd be faster to divide by the size, but I'm just gonna try again. This has got to work because that other one was giant off, and this one is visually on. Alright, let's try it. That's a bro. Creating a union. Why does it do that? Oh, it's... I see. It's probably right there. Is this... That might actually be a union. This is multiple parts. This is a terrible surf. You should not make surfs like this. Wouldn't do that, right? I don't get it. Does it do it on any? None. So it's still stuck with not being able to do it for parts. What? Huh? What? I don't get it. Aw. Is that still wrong? Does that have to be divided? Might have to be divided. Yeah, that actually looks wrong. What the? Oh, it's the. Right. It was absolute positioning. Okay, so I think you have to do it like this. Maybe. Possibly. Still wrong, eh? Still wrong? You saying it's still wrong? Are you telling me that I'm wrong? Alright, show me union, not lone wedge. Ooh! I did it! That's it. That was the issue. So now you should be able to go over the surface instead of smashing into the top of that. But it doesn't cover this. It doesn't cover, like, going on the bottom of the wedge, and it goes like, oh, it didn't do it, so. Cool. Okay, so I was literally doing wrong math. So now it'll union those into one part, like I showed in this diagram right here. So this will all go together and become one big happy part. So, but you have to touch both sides, and then it activates. And it, like, yeah. So it's actually not slower. It's actually faster. But it makes it so it doesn't work for moving surfs. Ah, yeah, you see the problem of whatever that was still is there. Yeah, so name 3 maps that have moving surfs. Name 1 map that has moving surfs, and yeah. But yeah, I'll probably address it anyways, even though it's not an issue for Death Run. I'll do something. So, what engine are you using? Oh my god. What did Roblox do? What? This is Roblox, but I made my own physics engine, so it's like a mix of my own code and Roblox. Cool. I did it. There it is. Let's restart and try it out. All right, is that everything? Oh, that's something else. Should be this, this, and that. And that's just like opti. Oh, all right. Cool. Nice. And then we have this entire spine fix. This is way too dank. This code, this amount of code just to fix this little bug. I had to like write a bunch of algorithms, think about a bunch of part faces and make a bunch of math, invent some algorithms. But that's what it took to do it right. All right. Gamers are gaming. I'm going to join the gaming. Let's go. All right. So it doesn't apply to this. Or actually, it might. It might, if you hit the... let's see. What does it say? Lone wedge. Ah. So it doesn't, apparently. Yeah, you see it's off. Okay, no, it's just wacky parts, right? Is that wacky parts? Are these separate parts? It looks like it. Probably is. Like it looks like it's separate parts. Yeah, you can literally see it. It's separate parts. So yeah, no, the unioning does not apply to this. If it was one part on the surface and it wasn't messed up, it would apply. So yeah, it has nothing to do with this map, the optimization. But like it seems like acceptable. Might be my time. 11th place. Let's go. Let's go to a more applicable map. Like Abseal, the worst map, the absolute worst offender. It will not fix the bumpy ramps. It is only a spine fix. It'll only fix specific cases of spine bug. The spine bug. Touch. RTV. All right, who's not RTVing? Who should I blacklist? Oh, look. Run it. All right, so the first ramp now has the spine fix, but it's not really that relevant because you don't cross the spine on the first ramp. But later ramps might be better because of the spine fix, such as this one, but you don't do that. Spine ride. It only changes the topology of the spines. It doesn't change the shape or the like intended behavior. I think it still did it. Well, stop and then check your console to see if it says that it was a lone. Oh my god. Okay. You can check to see if it's unioning. And it also has to be a specific type of ramp. So it'll say created union when it is like detecting the spine bug and fixing it. And it'll say lone wedge if it's detecting something and it's misaligned by a visually detectable amount. Or if it doesn't apply. Lone wedge. Go to the ramp and look at the ramp. Put that practice mode on. That is such a bumpy ramp. This is such a not a good map. Wow. 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 This one? Inspect. Can clip into the ramp. Crest experience. So yeah, it only does it once. The first time you touch it, it does the unioning. So you'd have to rejoin to test again. You know, no, I can do it. I can do it. Do I have practice mode on? No, practice. All right, so I can tell when I go to this ramp, it should. So it says creating union. All right, so this ramp was the problem ramp. Let's see. Creating union. Let's see. So it said that for the last one. This one it says lone wedge, but it also says creating union. No, that's the last one. All right, so this one decided. Oh well, you can see it actually. Look at this. You can see it misaligned. I can just increase the tolerance. I'll just increase the tolerance. It fixed that other map too, so. But like, I want it to be precise. All right, let's see. I'll test it. Oh, I have to publish. Did it not have to type that? Never mind. Wow. Wow. Lone wedge. Yeah, that is way off. But there's a giant spine. Yeah, no, that. You can see it. I could fix it though. All I have to do is make the. All I'd have to do is make the physics worse. There you go. The physics is worse. Is everybody happy? Because I'm not. I don't want to make the physics worse to support bad map making. The map should have to be improved to a higher standard. It's still loading. Like, you can still be off, but not by a visually, like, you shouldn't be able to tell that it's off when you look at it. You shouldn't be able to tell, oh, that looks off. Okay, what the hell is going on here? Holy, that took an age and a half to load. Alright, so that's new. Where it will scoop you off the ground without having to jump. That's a difference between new and old physics. Alright, so this should union here. Yeah. But like, I mean, it's probably fine. Like, you can see it looks exactly on. But the spine bug can still happen, or did still happen, even when the maps were made precisely, which is why I made this fix. Is because the bugs. Ooh, I restarted. Oh, start. The bug still happened, even when I made it precisely. Even when the physics were precise, the bug still happened. Wait a second. I still have a problem. What if there's a surf next to a trigger? And it unions into one part. Oh, oh, you can't touch that. Okay. Map abseal. Alright, we're gonna go check the problem child. Alright. What do you want from me? Lone wedge! What do you mean lone wedge? Oh my god! Okay, well, there's your problem. So it only activates if these are the same size. If the corner of this lines up the corner of that within 0.01. That's the activation case, is the corners have to line up. So this ramp cannot, it will not unionize because there's this giant empty crevice in the middle of it that would not be properly physics-ified. Like if you saw this giant crevice and then you went to go in the giant crevice and you couldn't go in the giant crevice because it was like unionized. So yeah, that's why it's not activating for this. I want this number. That's the number that I want, because that's the same as the rounding amount for the sphere. I want maps to be accurate to 0.01 studs. That is like 2 studs. Like I fit entirely inside this. Okay, no, it's more like 1.5, but yeah. That's why this ramp isn't working. Right there. But it's also off. But it might be close enough. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna join the game because, yeah. Ooh, let's see it. This is probably multiple parts, isn't it? Which doesn't activate. So it'll union the top. What does it say? What does it say here? Part, which part? So there's, it scans 7 parts and then unions against one of them. Yeah, so, oh, actually, so the spines at the top will union, but the rest of the ramp won't. So the ramp it might scrape along here. There might be some scraping issues, but the spine won't bug. As long as it's close enough. Whee! Oh my. Oh my god. So anyone playing the actual map? Let's see it. Whoa! Woo! Bonus task fast. Well, how about that, eh? Where's the walk times? Oh, you beat an auto. Goddamn. So, the map is beaten, which is good news to me. How is it? I want to know. Tell me, give me feedback. That spine should have activated there. This one should activate. Or I guess you don't touch that. Whoa. Oh my god. You're supposed to go in the... Can you... If you can hit the end, that's crazy. Oh, rip. Tell me, do you like it? I guess everyone's playing the game. I guess that's my answer, is that it's good. Polish. The Polish master. Are you doing /R? No, that looks like a pressing R. Are you pressing R? Did you know you can press R? When will you publish the update? That's what I want to know. All I need is this is busy work. I'm just trying to think of things that'll make the game better that I can work on while I wait for its name to make the internal data store API. Moving platforms, moving wedges. All I really have to do is invalidate the cache. Yeah, that's all I really have to do is if something moves, invalidate the cache. And then it'll work. But like I'm gonna basically redo the whole moving platform system to be tick based. So it'll calculate a single position every tick, and then it'll use that for interpolation. And I have it in my head that I'm gonna do the visual graphics programming like that as well, where like it's running on the GPU with a mesh shader that has the motion between two ticks. I can't wait to make my own damn engine. I want to make my own game engine. I'm so good at everything. Let me do it all. When the moving platforms change directions, you would move a little bit. That's because of friction and momentum. You don't just stick to the surface of whatever you're on top of. It has to apply a force to you, and that is usually through friction. Oh, what happened? Oh, you hit the trigger? Yeah. How about remove moving parts? No one likes RNG surf maps. Well, guess what? It's no longer RNG because of the way that I made the moving parts. What you do is you define a time offset that activates when you start the map, and then the parts, the world time of, it's not made yet for any of the moving parts maps. I have to go through all the maps and fix them after the update. It starts moving the parts from the time offset, which is normally 0. So if it starts from 0 and then they all do their thing, whatever, you can change it so that it's in the right place when you get there by like experimenting with different time offsets. And then it's always out of your way or in the best possible place when you arrive, because they reset every time they start. Every time you start the map, the moving platforms reset to 0 or whatever time offset you set. Like, I don't know, 6,000 seconds, like whatever. You can set your own time offset and it'll yeah. So it takes the RNG out of it. You don't have to just pray that it'll be in the right place. You can pick the time offset that makes it in the right place. And every single run, as long as you're consistent, it'll be in the right place. I thought it was intended that you'd stick. No, that's not how physics works. I do want to make it so that you stick as long as it's within friction constraints. I want to make it so that you like literally exactly stick to the same point as long as it's within the constraints available to your surface friction. Wow. Huh. Yeah. What's up? Hey, yo! What's this? I just fixed surf spines for maps that are made well. You can still make a map in a way that it doesn't fix the spine because like it's just unfixable. It's just wrong. Gosh, I love Surf Rocket. Boy, I love doing Rocket on Surf. Golly. Gosh. Gosh, golly me. Rocket. Which maps you've completed? I wish there was a feature to be able to see which maps you've completed. Nominate. Let's go. I completed 16% of maps? God damn, I've played a lot of this. Holy smokes. Holy smokes, dude. I've played so much. LB, what's LB? I'm not gonna do that. A only? Let's see it. Oh, he's doing bonus. Playing the game? Someone playing the game? I think I'm gonna leave world record announcements out. Unless its name makes it, then I'll add it in. But yeah, that's not ready yet, and like we can add that. So you'll still get your damn badge. Actually, I don't think you will. Borderlands. That's a particularly bad one, isn't it? Alright, what does this say? It said something. Union. Sheesh. Wow. What the bonus teleports are at the end. Bro, that just made 7 trillion unions. Lululul. But it was smooth. Love it. If you pay attention on the bot, it should show every single bump. And like a smooth ramp is actually a collection of different ramps, discrete ramps. What? Oh. Okay. Damn, I'm upset that OBS had a recording error on H265. I was hoping to use that, even though it's like, whatever. I wanted to do that. Oh. Damn, that was a lot of work. How long have I been streaming? Actually, there's no way to tell. This second half of the stream, 3 hours. What was the first half? Like also 3 hours? The stream's current bitrate. How do you know? Oh, you go under. That's really cool. That's very cool. Oh my god, that's so cool. It says 3 hours. 3 hours, 40 minutes. I'm wearing the same shirt as the last stream. No, I'm not. I was going to wear the same shirt. But then I didn't because I wanted to wear a clean shirt. Because I just got clean. Same. Okay, is surf good? Is it like fixed for like maps that look that have like ramps that aren't like obviously dumb? Do you think like this is what was missing from the surf portion? Was this nice spine fix? What? Wow. See. Boy, everyone who tried the update before, like, back when it was desyncing and stuff, and like surfing sucked, they're gonna be surprised when it's like polished, playable, perfect, precise. Whoa, I like that sound. Nice. That's cool. That was pretty cool. Bonus. Wow. That has to be terrible on the bitrate. It's going freaky. Oh, I made a good game. Oh. What did you hit the was that a problem? I don't really see how I can fix like surfs being like flush with triggers. That just is like a recipe for undefined behavior. I should probably put a name thingamabobber. Include a map difficulty in the server list. I don't know how to calculate that right now. I don't have a algorithm for calculating map difficulty. The only thing I could really do right now would be like, I don't know, negative logarithm of the number of times, or I guess not negative, but like, well, yeah, negative logarithm of the number of times, then like something. add some sort of constant, and then the number goes up when there's fewer completions, and completions equals difficulty, or fewer completions equals difficulty. And that's simply not true. It also is based on like how fun the map is to play, how attractive the map is, how new the map is, and like, so there's all sorts of. Okay, I could measure map hours, like how many hours total all people have put into the map, and then do completions divided by total hours. Are time until completion? That seems. Good people be tier makers? No. I have enough data to make something that will be more accurate than that. I need to have something that's better than skill. I need to have like map completion power, and then like map completion ability. How do you currently add new maps? It's like full manual. It just, I have to load the map in the map testing place, make sure someone can complete the map, at least one person. I run a vote to see if the people in the server like the map. I save the map to a list, and then I do that for all of the submitted maps. And then for each accepted map, I check the map for scripts, read every single script on every single map to make sure there's no malicious scripts. I found lots. What the hell? Oh. And then I upload each individual map to its own new model that is owned by the StrafesNet group, so that it can be put into the game. It can be loaded by the game. The games can only load group games can only load group models. So actually, can you take models? I wouldn't. Like, I need control of the map versioning, but ooh, I just thought of a good idea. I can have Did you not hold the space bar? I can have thing. Yeah. I can have map maker control for yeah. The game really needs a map submission system, especially for like Death Run. But like, I mean, that's the next big thing that I will make for Be Up and Surf is a map submission system, or next I'll push for. And it doesn't have to be made by its name. Someone could like make a website and stuff. I have all sorts of ideas for what to do. Not allow any scripts. No, I mean you can basically find 99% of malicious scripts by searching for getfenv and require. Without those two things, you basically can't be sneaky and like load a bunch of stuff. You still can put like admin commands into the game without that. But that, yeah, we can figure that out. Yeah. Other than that, you can't really get around, or I can't prevent anything that you can't get around other than that. So the scripts still need to be read. Rocket. I am pleased with the fix here. Spine fix. I guess it does make it does make it slower. Oh, it's can collide false. Nice. Oh. Oh, you can fight gravity so much better in Surf. Cool. Ah! Bruh. Moving platform stuff based on attributes. I'm not sure how to do that. Beaten by 1 second. Rough for Rocket. It might be pretty high on the ranking if you get a better time. RDC. Trey is at RDC. There you go. Nice. What are you doing? Why are you going to that side? What the heck? That was strange. You wasted like 3 or 4 seconds just fighting the velocity you already had instead of going into the right side. I should end the stream. I'm done. I did the work. I put in the hours. Alright, let's see if I can do this while streaming. Oh, it's working. How do you... Oh, is it mobile only? Ah, sad. Them. Not present. Damn it. Damn it. I can't do it. Sad. Yeah. Stream end. I did it. I did the surf spine fix. I fixed the whole dang thing. Publish. Wow. Yeah. Check. Sheesh. Okay. I'll stream again tomorrow. I'll try to figure something out. Let's see. What did I write down? Do I have something I can do tomorrow? Fix scroll jump properly? I don't want to do that. Changelog GUI. GUI. I don't. Oh, I should do this. Yeah, this is like, hey guys, the stream is ending. I'll show you guys later. This is what this scene is for. It's the stream start, stream end. Fix the spine bug by combining surf wedges. Check mark. It was hard. Push solve touching parts on teleport. I could do that. You're. I'm ending the stream. You can't see me clicking around on things because I went to the scene. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay. I was looking at what I should do tomorrow, which is important for getting work done, but there's just no work to do. I did everything. The game is ready to publish. I just need the player data. You need to be able to save your sensitivity. If you can't save your sensitivity, then like. I need the data store API, man. I might even be willing to publish without equipment. Like, I know that would scare a lot of people to, like, their purchases to vanish. But, like, obviously I haven't lost them because they've been saved on the database for the last 17 years. So what I would do for that is copy the transactions from the old database to the new database, and then generate your equipment when you join the first time, and everything would work. But I haven't written that code yet, and like it's not technically necessary for the update. I could just do it later. I could make I could like disable the shop and put like the shop is under construction. You will not lose any of your items or something. If I was like, okay, this is taking a long time and it was ready to publish, other than that, I would probably do it, but it shouldn't take that long to fix everything to do with the shop, to just hook it all up, because it's already like made, right? So I didn't change any of the shop stuff. I do intend to change it though after the update. I need to make the shop like way better, because like you click on something and then you go, did it work? You have to like trust that it did something, and then like trust that you're wearing the thing. Yeah. Adding the preview was a good idea for the shop. The like character preview, that is leagues better than not being able to see it. Yeah, no, that it not being there was like terrible, horrible. All right, yeah, I'll stream again tomorrow, but like I don't know what kind of work I can do, because this was like the work, and like Monday is my like let's get it done, I'm working day, where like I go and do the hardest thing that I have to do, and I did it. So yeah, surf. I love surf because people play surf. B-Hop is my real passion, but clearly I'm willing to put in the effort to make surf work too. Yeah, that's the end of the stream. I'm going to stop streaming. Goodbye. I will stream again tomorrow. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Those are my streaming days, 4 days a week. Bye!